this is y plus 2. This is y minus 3 and y. And this is 29 by 2. Right. So then this is what? This is y minus 1 by y plus 2 plus y minus 3 by y and 29 by 20. So this we will take the LCM. LCM would be how much? Y.
Cross multiply, right?
No, we have a positive sign. So whenever we have a positive sign addition, so first we add, then we cross multiply, right? So how will you cross multiply? Right. We don't have this. Yeah. So first we simplify this. So we have this LCM. So y divides y plus 2. So y plus 2 is divided, and then we have this y minus 1. So y multiplied by y minus 1. And then y divides this LCM. So y is divided, and then we have y plus 2 into y minus 3. So this is equal to 29 by 20. Understood?
I didn't understand how you did y into y minus 1.
Oh, so this is the LCM. So we took the LCM of y and y plus 2. So this would be y plus 2, right?
Okay.
And now what you do is that you have to add from here. So what you do is that you divide this denominator by this factor, right? So what remains? Y remains, right?
Yeah.
So then y is multiplied with this number. This is
Okay.
how you do the right addition of two fractions.
Yeah.
That's 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2. So first you take the LCM, which is 6. And then you divide this 3 by 6. So you get 2. So you multiply 2 with this, let's say this is 5 and this is 4. So 2 into 5 plus 2 divided by 6. So you get 3. So 3 into 4. Same thing, right?
Okay. No,
So,
but how, where did you get y plus 2 and y minus 3?
y plus 2 and y.
No, after y multiply by y minus 1 plus you put y plus 2 y minus 3. Why did you put?
Yeah, so this y, this 2 divides this 6. So I get 3. Right. So this y divides this y and y plus 2. So what I will get? Y and y plus 2 is divided by y. So I will get y plus 2. Then this y plus 2 is multiplied in here. Right. With 4. So 3 multiplied with 4. Clear? Or do you have doubt? Do you have any doubt? I can explain it again. So if you have doubt, then I can explain it again. Yes, still have a doubt. Yeah. So let me say this again. That this is the denominator. So this is 2. This is 2. It divides 6. So it, yeah, you got that. You got that. Yeah, did you get that? Your voice is breaking, so that's why. Yeah, did you get that part?
Yeah,
yes, did you get that part? Oh, good. So let us solve this further. So this would be, oh, what is happening? So this would be, so this would be y square minus y, and this is y into y minus 3 and plus 2 into y minus 3. Right, and this is y square plus y, and this is 29 by 20. So this would give us y square minus y plus y square minus 3y plus 2y minus 6 divided by y square plus y 29 by 20. So this would be how much? Y square,
Um,
yes,
I cannot, I cannot see what you have written. Yeah.
yeah, you cannot see.
Wait, and now I can see. It's lagging a little bit, so it's coming now.
Oh, okay. So I guess that there is a network issue. So that is due to this network issue that you have. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, now it's okay. I can see.
Yeah. So now what we do is that we simplify it further. So y square plus y square is 2y square minus y minus 3y is minus 4y minus 4y plus 2y. So minus 2y minus 6 and then y square plus y equals to 29 by 20. So 20 is multiplied with 2y square, 2y minus 6 and 29 multiplied with y square plus y. So this will give you how much? So this is 40y square minus 40y minus 120, 29y square plus 29y. So 40y square minus 40y minus 120 minus 29y square and minus 29y. This is 0. And then you will have what? So 40y squared, 29y squared. So this is 11y squared and 40y and minus 29y. So minus of 69y and okay, and minus of 120. So who got disconnected?
Hello.
Yes, yes, yes. So you got disconnected again. Right. Yeah, so this is the desired equation. 11y squared minus 69y minus 120. So this is the desired equation. Okay.
Okay. I'll just copy it down to scroll.
So we started from here, and we have to solve this further. So you try to solve this further, and then we'll see that. Yeah. So is this clear to you? This question?
Yeah, it's clear, but it's a bit lengthy. So
Yeah. So it's clear. So that is why we need some practice. Okay.
yeah.
So whenever you need me to scroll down, you please tell me.
So,
Yeah. Did you say scroll down?
no, I didn't. I didn't. It's fine. Here, it's fine.
Oh.
Till here, you can scroll.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, so if you have completed this part, then we can, yeah, I can scroll down.
You can scroll. In the last class, you gave a assignment, right?
Yeah,
I did the assignment, but
yes,
the thing was, it was showing linear equation. So after I messaged her, she activated the quadratic equation assignment.
yes.
The
Yeah,
thing-
yeah. So she told me that. Yeah, so the team they told me about it. So yeah, did you find those questions interesting?
Yeah, they were very easy.
Yeah, good, good.
The very first question I made it wrong, which was the most easiest because I thought like the timer will run out very quickly. So that's
No,
why I
no.
just
Yeah. So the timer is of 30 minutes, I guess, right? Time limit is
okay.
30. Okay, so yeah, in today's class also. So after today's class, we will have another class assessment test. So please take that test too. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, but we have to complete that topic first. So that is why, yeah. So we have half
Okay.
an hour and yeah, we can complete that topic.
Can you scroll?
Yes, so whenever we have noted, please tell.
Yeah, it's over. Done.
Okay. Okay, so now let me talk about that topic for otherwise, right? Otherwise, okay. So where was I? Okay, this was yeah. So this part we did, and we were on this. Yeah. So we were solving this question, but I will skip that, and because we have done so many problems, right? Now through your homeworks and from all these, so we have done so many problems. So now we will quickly go into that. Where is that? Yeah. So in this question, right? Fourth question we did, right?
Yeah, yeah, we did the fourth question.
Yeah. So fifth and sixth, I leave you as your homework. Okay.
Okay.
And
One second. Just give me 1 second.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. So, or did I do this fourth problem? I guess that I have not done this also. So take 4, 5, 6 as your homework. Okay, because
Yeah. Okay.
we have done numerous problem based on this. So this time these are your homeworks. Okay.
Okay. I
Yeah.
actually did the exercise already.
Yeah. So you have already. So yeah. Okay. So in the next time, if you have any doubt in this in these questions, so then we can talk about that. Okay.
Okay.
So not this homework. Then we will have a different homework. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Now let us come to the nature of roots. Okay. So in the nature of roots, we talk about how good or how bad are the roots. No, we don't talk about that, right? We talk about what kind of solution we get for the quadratic equation. So we have a quadratic equation, right? So this is a quadratic equation, right?
Yeah.
And we have the quadratic formula. So the middle term splitting, you know now, right?
Yeah. And
And the other method is this quadratic formula. So how do we calculate the solution of this quadratic equation? So first we calculate the discriminant which is represented by d, right?
B square minus 4.
So this is equal to b square minus 4a, right? So first we calculate the discriminant, and then first we find out what is a, what is b, and what is c. So from a, b, c we calculate this d. Okay. And from this we calculate, you use the quadratic formula, which says that the roots would be minus of b plus minus root d by 2a. Okay, this is the quadratic formula. Is this clear to you?
Yeah.
Yeah, so then we talk about nature of roots. So nature of root is determined by this d. Okay, so if d is first case is that d is greater than 0, right? So if d is greater than 0, so you will get two values. Alpha would be minus b plus root d by 2a, and beta would be minus b minus root d by 2a. So you get two different solutions. These are real solution, right? So if
Yeah.
d is greater than 0, you get real and unequal solution. Is this clear to you?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. And then if you have d equals to 0, which means that this is 0. So alpha would be what? Alpha would be minus b plus 0 by 2a, and beta would be minus b by 0 plus 0. So you see that these roots are equal, right?
Yeah.
And you see that b, a are real, so you get real and equal roots. Understood?
Yes. And
And then we have this third case which says that d is less than 0. So for d less than 0, you see that root of a negative number is what? Root of minus 4 is what? Can you find the root of a negative number? Yes.
um, root 2 square.
No, so this would be minus of 2 square. So we can take 2 outside, so this would be 2 root minus 1. So do we know the value of root minus 1?
No.
this is not defined, right? So this is not real, right?
Yeah.
So if d is less than 0, if d is negative, so we can't find the root of a negative number, right? So this is not real. So the solution would be not real. Is this clear to you?
So if it's negative, then it means that it is less than 0 and
Yeah,
it's not real.
yeah, less than 0 is negative, right? So yeah. Okay, so please note down this part, and then we'll do the next exercise. Okay.
Noted.
Noted. Okay, so now let us come to the exercise. Yeah, so I should erase this part. Right. Okay. So in the first question, find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation. If the real root exists, find them. Okay. So what is the case for what is the criteria for the real roots? D greater than 0
D should be greater than.
or D equal to 0, right? These are the criterions for the real roots.
Yeah.
So we have to find, so this is the first quadratic equation, 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equals to 0. So first, what is A?
A is 2x.
No, only A.
It's 2.
2, right? It's 2. The coefficient of x square, right? And what is B?
Minus 3.
Minus 3 and C?
It's 5.
5. So first, to tell about the real roots, we need to find this D. So D is B square minus 4AC. So B is minus 3 square and minus of 4 into A is 2 and C is 5. Right. So this is 9 minus this is how much? What T?
Once again, for this type of question, we can use the quadratic formula also and the discriminant formula, right?
Yeah, we can choose any method. But first we have to find whether the roots exist or not, right? So if the root
How
doesn't,
about can we even do middle term splitting?
yeah, we can do middle term splitting when there is a solution, right?
Okay.
When there is a solution, then you can use the middle term splitting. But when we don't have any solution, so then we can't use the middle term splitting, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So this would be minus of 31. So D is less than 0, right? So roots would be what?
So, it's not a real root.
Right. So not real. So not real. So we stop at here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So now let us do the second problem. So in second problem, we have 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equals to 0, right? So A is how much?
A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4 root minus 4 root 3, and C is equal to 4.
Yes, correct. Absolutely correct. So D would be equal to B square minus
Four.
4AC. So B is
So
minus,
Minus 4 root 3 is the whole square. Minus 4 into 3 brackets and then 4 and then
Yeah.
C is 4.
Right. So this is 4 square, and this is how much? Yeah, this is how much?
1 second. 48.
48. Correct. 48, and this is also 48. Right.
Yeah.
So this is 0. So D is 0, which means that
So discriminant is equal to 0 means it has real roots and equal.
yes, it has real roots and equal roots. So D is equal to 0, which means real and equal roots. So if we know D, then we can calculate alpha and beta. So this would be minus of B plus minus root D by 2A. So this is minus of B is how much? Minus 4 root 3 plus minus root of 0 divided by 2 into A is how much? 3.
3.
So this would be simply how much? This would be 4 root
40.
3 divided by 2 into 3. So 2 root 3 by 3. Right. So alpha is 2 root 3 by 3, and beta is also 2 root 3 by 3. Is this clear to you?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have applied the quadratic formula, right? We didn't use the middle term splitting.
So whenever
Yeah.
if the value is 0, we need to use the quadratic formula to find
No,
it.
we can use any method, but if the numbers are small, so this is 3, 4, 4, and these kind of numbers. So then we can use the
No, here we got the value d is equal to 0.
yeah.
So why did we use the quadratic formula after that?
Yeah, so I used the quadratic formula right after this because we need to find the solution. So in this question, they have said that if the real root exists, find the roots, right?
Okay.
So that is why, yeah. So you please note down. Do you want to note down this part, or you understood?
Yeah, I understood. And
Yeah. So you don't want to note it down.
no need. I
Oh,
already did those questions.
oh okay, okay. So okay, so let us stop at here, and then we'll do the rest of the questions. And yeah, so you log into your Learnivio account and you will find again the active test. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Will we
So
do it right now or after I read them?
yeah. So yeah, just log into the account and let me give you some question first. Okay. So yeah. Find the value of the k. No, these are different questions. So okay. Yeah, so these are different questions. So what I will do is that I will give you from this part. Okay. Yeah, so only two questions. 40 and 41.
Okay. Can I 1 second? Check this
Yeah,
thing.
just